Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? Alright guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you are welcome, and if you're a returning, you are equally welcome. Okay guys, so do you know that ginger actually helps us reduce weight? But in this remedy, okay, I'm actually gonna be showing you how you can actually infuse ginger in your fat, ingredient. Yeah, like you're going to be gaining weight, actually imputing a little bit of ginger, and that is actually going to do just one thing for you. I'm going to be showing you, rather I'm going to be telling you also in the video as you continue watching. Okay, so if you want to know what all of this ingredients is all about, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, so let's go find out and let's go gaining those weight at the right places. So let's go. Okay guys, now have you actually tried using ginger in terms of gaining weight? Like, the ingredients that I'm going to be mixing this with is literally what is going to help you. Now, in as much as you want to gain weight, you would also want to be healthy. So imputing ginger is going to actually make you healthy, and this is actually going to remove the fat at the wrong places, which is literally your tummy. Yeah, we all know, like, that is why we're actually putting in ginger. For every other ingredient in here are something that is going to make us really fat, apart from this ginger that is going to concentrate on our belly part, extracting those fats, so that when we drink this, we're actually not going to be looking shapeless. So we're literally going to be gaining that shape. Okay guys, so I actually cut my ginger into two. So I used just a little of the ginger. Okay, unfortunately my camera stopped, that's why I'm actually telling you that. And then I put just a little bit of water. Okay, so if you must use ginger for this particular gaining weight recipe, you would have to use just a little of the ginger. Okay, not so much, so that your results will not be ruined. So the next ingredient is this, and this is oatmeal. Okay, so how you're going to do this is that you're going to be needing hot water, just like this. Okay, this is actually warm, and then you're going to be pouring it into the oatmeal. And then you would have to stir a little. Okay, so after that, then you have to keep this aside a little while so that it gets done. And then the very next ingredient is going to be this, and this is banana. Now banana is great in adding to our weight. Okay, so it depends on how you actually take this. It's gonna make you really fat, and it depends on how you take it. It's going to deposit those fats at those right places where you would not have to worry yourself, but you're going to snatch all day long. So after that, I'm going to be keeping that aside, and then the very next ingredient is going to be this, and this is milk. Okay, now milk contains a whole lot of ingredients that, when mixed with other fat gaining ingredients, is going to help your result blow like really well. So I'm gonna be turning the milk into this banana. Okay, now since I don't have much of the juice from the milk, I'm going to be putting just a little bit of water, yeah, so that it can actually enable me blend this very well. So we have milk and banana in here. Okay guys, so this is so yummy and I can't wait to taste this. Okay, so this is my banana and milk, and I'm gonna be turning it in here. Okay, so this is the ginger, just a little of this. You can see I actually didn't put all. And this is my oatmeal. I'm gonna be turning it in here. Now you can actually make this in a small bowl and just, you know, consume it literally. So this is another wonderful ingredient, and this is yogurt. Now yogurt contains a whole lot of ingredients that helps you, you know, literally just gain weight. Now it depends on how you actually take all of those things. Okay, it helps you gain a whole lot of weight. Okay, so I'm actually going to be turning the yogurt into our cup, and then the very last and not the least of the ingredients is this, and this is egg. Okay, now to gain weight you would have to at least inculcate the habit of, you know, putting egg into your other, you know, fat gaining smoothie. Now in case you're aiming to just lose weight, you can only take one egg in a day, but since you're actually gaining weight, man, mix up this with banana plus yogurt and other stuff. It helps you gain weight, so you can see how that is. Okay, on the other hand, it helps you gain weight. It helps for the skin also. So I'm going to be mashing this. I'm actually not going to be blending it, so we're going to be mashing it. This is very healthy, but it helps you grow that fat at those desired junction. And then you have to turn in the boiled and mashed egg, white and yolk in here. Make sure it's one full whole egg. Now after doing that, guys, this is everything. This is very thick. You can see that. Okay, so let me make sure that it is properly mixed. Okay guys, so this is our amazing fat gaining smoothie. This is very healthy. All of the ingredients are very natural, and they are bomb. Guys, go try this and you're going to really love it. Okay, so let me give this a go because I can't actually wait to try this. But of course, I'm actually not, you know, wanting to gain weight, but I'm gonna be taking it because, you know, longer throats. Yeah, okay, so Wow, this is so yummy, this is so healthy, and this is so delicious. Like, it is very, very delicious. Okay, all of the ingredients are very healthy and they are delicious. Now when you take those ingredients every day, like literally just blend it and keep it inside your fridge, okay, it's going to help you gain weight. You know, you just drink it cold every morning. That if you're aiming to gain weight, drink this cold every morning, and you are going to be gaining those weight at those places. And the ginger part is going to help you, you know, to make sure that you don't gain the weight at the wrong places. Okay, so go give this a go, and I'm sure you're going to be loving it. Okay guys, so that's it. It's actually very tasty and I love it. It's very thick also, and but personally I do not want to gain weight. Okay, I want to reduce. I'm actually fighting to go down. Okay, so I'm not going to be drinking it more than today. Like, apart from today, I'm not going to be making it. But if you're aiming to gain weight, this is an amazing drink for you that would actually help you gain a whole lot of weight at the very right places. Okay, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, do not forget to give me a smash like, alright, and subscribe and share the video equally, and I will see you again. Bye.